the wind. I saw you toss the kites on high and blew the birds about the sky. And all around I heard you pass like ladies' skirts across the grass. Oh wind, a blowing all day long. Oh wind, that sings so loud a song. I saw the different things you did, but always you yourself, you hit. I felt you push. I heard you call. I could not see yourself at all. Oh wind, a blowing all day long. Oh wind, that sings so loud a song. Oh you, that you are so strong and cold. Oh blower, are you young or old? Are you beast of field and tree? Or just stronger child?